Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to seamlessly integrate Asana with Zapier to automate your workflows, saving you time, reducing your manual tasks, and freeing you up to focus on the work that matters most. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up Zaps that connect Asana with your other favorite tools, from email and spreadsheets to messaging apps. So let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't signed up for Zapier yet, go ahead and create a free account on their website. It's a straightforward process. You'll just need to provide a name, email, and a password. Zapier is all about efficiency, so even their sign-up is quick. If you're like me and want to poke around before making a commitment, rest assured. You can start with their free plan and still get plenty done. Next, make sure you're logged into both your Zapier and Asana accounts in your web browser. This might seem obvious, but it's an important detail. Being logged into both ensures the integration happens smoothly without any login hiccups, especially when Zapier asks for permission to access Asana later on. Okay, now that you're set up, it's time to connect Asana to Zapier. From your Zapier dashboard, look for the section labeled My Apps, or sometimes Connected Accounts, depending on whether you're using their newer or older interface. Here, you'll want to search for Asana and select it from the list. You'll see a pop-up asking for permission. Simply click Allow. What's happening here is Zapier is requesting access to your Asana workspace so it can pull in tasks, monitor changes, and ultimately automate workflows for you. Once you've granted permission, you'll notice Asana pops up in your connected apps list, a visual confirmation you're good to go. Now for the fun part, creating your first Zap. On your main dashboard, look for a button that says Create Zap or Make a Zap. Again, depending on the interface version. Clicking this brings you into the step-by-step Zap builder. The first decision is choosing the Trigger app, where the initial event happens. For most of you, that'll be Asana. Think about what you want to automate. Maybe alerting your team when a new task is created, or logging completed tasks somewhere. You'll select a specific trigger event such as New Task, Task Completed, or Task Moved to Section. Don't worry if you're not sure which trigger to use. Zapier offers descriptions and real-world examples to help you make the right choice. With your trigger defined, it's time to set up the action, what you want to happen next, and where. This could be Gmail if you want to send an email when a task completes, Google Sheets to log new tasks on a spreadsheet, or Slack to send updates to your team. Select your action app, then pick the action event, like Send Email, Add Row, or Create Channel Message. It's almost like setting up a cause and effect relationship. When something happens in Asana, Zapier makes sure a corresponding action happens in your other app automatically. Now, customize your Zap. Zapier guides you to specify which fields and details you want to use. Maybe you only want to monitor tasks from a specific Asana project or section. You'll match Asana's data to the corresponding fields in your Action app. For example, mapping a task name to the subject line of an email or the due date to a spreadsheet column. This is where you tailor the Zap to fit your workflow perfectly. Take your time and double-check. You want everything just right for smooth automation. Before launching, Zapier will let you test your Zap to make sure everything's working as planned. This step might take a few moments, especially if you're connecting to an app you haven't used with Zapier before. If the test doesn't work, don't worry. Zapier gives clear hints about what's wrong so you can troubleshoot easily. Finally, once you're happy with how your Zap works, turn it on. From now on, Zapier will watch Asana for your chosen trigger and automatically handle the actions you set up. You've just eliminated a chunk of manual work. And that's it. You've connected Asana to Zapier and set up your first automated workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. If you have any questions or if you ran into any tricky parts, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.